Okay. Good day everyone. I am Samantha Faith Tan from BSCS 1A and I am here to report about what a property grid is. So what is a property grid? A property grid is a user interface control in the Windows framework that displays a list of properties and their values for a selected object. So for example, here in the picture we have the button, which is the object. It is the selected object in this scenario, and this is the property grid. So what a property grid does is it shows the values of the selected object. And the property grid is typically used in design time scenarios where it allows users to easily modify the properties of visual components on a form or other UI elements. So I have here an example, or at least I'm going to make an example from scratch so we know how to make a property grid. So for example, we have here a button. This is going to be our selected object for the property grid, which is going to show over here. I'm just going to make it bigger so we can see the properties bigger. Yeah. So to select this button as the selected object, we just have to go down here and select that object, which is the button 2. There we go. And the properties shown in this property grid is the same values, is the same as this properties tab. Yes, they are the same, but the only difference is the this this property grid is inside the Windows form. So you can change this object here inside the Windows form. You don't have to go to the Visual Studio or the Sharp Develop to modify this object. So if we run this program, we can change the properties of this. So for example, we want to change the color of this button to the color blue. You can change it with just a click of a button inside the Windows form. You don't have to go outside to change it. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. And goodbye.